this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to log into TradeLocker. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up any provider that support TradeLocker. For example, I will use GateFX, but you can also use HeroFX or any other FX that supports TradeLocker. From here, you'll need to sign up to your account, and here you'll need to go over to the account and then account overview. Once you see this, you'll need to find the specific account that you have chosen to support with TradeLocker. I know this is in fact this one or this one down here, and you'll click view, and then from here you'll get all of this information over here. As you can see here, you'll see the server that you will need to copy, and from here you'll need to go over to TradeLocker.com and then download TradeLocker onto your PC. Once you've done that, it should bring something like this, and here you can see you'll have the option to log in. Here you'll firstly need to select whether or not you want to trade on a live or demo account. This will work both ways, so don't worry about that. From here, you'll need to add in your email address that you used to create your account with HeroFX, GatesFX, you name it. You'll need to enter the password that you also provided to the specific provider. And down here, you'll need to enter the server. And for this tutorial, I chose GatesFX, and I'm just going to click copy and then paste it into the server down here. From here, I'll need to enter my email address and password and then click login. From here, it will log in for you inside of TradeLocker. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!